So far, the U.S. government has dedicated $1.7 million to support Ghana's Ebola preparedness and response planning. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and the Defense Threat Reduction Agency is also providing personnel and technical assistance in ongoing efforts within the sub-region. The American Chamber briefing session was intended to assess Ghana's level of preparedness and to offer the American businesses a bigger picture on which areas they could offer support as part of their corporate social responsibility. Deputy Minister for Health, Dr. Victor Bampo, assured them Ghana is ready to contain any case recorded.
I'm glad to say that in this, the government and people of Ghana have great friends like the U.S. I think the ambassador talked about $1.7 million to Ghana alone. That's fascinating. We would have discussions about how support can be channeled to Ghana in various forms. Our response is hinged on 3 pillars. The first is, of course, public education. The second is active surveillance within the communities and at the points of entry. And the third is getting ready for case management and contact tracing. We have built partnerships with radio stations, with TV stations.
The American ambassador to Ghana reiterated President Obama's commitment to ensure U.S. leads the fight.
With the recent Ebola cases in Dallas and elsewhere, we are acutely aware that this is a global problem with global implications. President Obama has made it clear that fighting Ebola is a top national security concern. The United States has already committed more than $350 million toward fighting the outbreak in West Africa, an effort that involves a variety of agencies, including the Department of Defense, the CDC, and USAID. You might be interested to learn that we also have members of our mission selflessly volunteering to rotate into affected areas in order to provide much-needed relief to those working day in and day out.
Representatives from Newmont Ghana, Coca-Cola, GE and other companies who made representations reiterated their commitment to join ongoing efforts to protect their businesses.
We as American companies, we are able and willing to assist the government tackle this thing effectively. We at the Chamber will work with the companies to ensure that we come in and assist as much as we can. We're not saying we're going to cover those, but we're saying we're going to come in and assist as much as we can. So we are willing and able to assist. That's the commitment you can take from us today as you go out, have discussions with the cabinet, have discussions with the president. That's what we as American companies are willing and able to do.
More than 4,000 people are living with the disease, mainly in Liberia, Sierra Leone and Guinea. The WHO is predicting the case could reach 10,000 within a week. Official records indicate 7 out of 10 people diagnosed with the disease die.